Yeah, I don't know what the problem was, but this thing stopped. My computer is not powerful enough to handle this video recording. Ameritrade in the background, all these programs running at the same time. So anyway, uh, yeah, I found out 621. I'm gonna go really slow so I don't get the computer confused. 621 will be here. Well, I could sell it for more. 622. That'll be. I'm gonna be able to buy the other one. See, the higher this number is, the lower I'm gonna be able to buy the other one. And this tells you how many you have to buy. 11 shares. It calculates it, so you don't go crazy. And this is, it rounds off the number. It's probably 10 something, but it rounds it up to 11 just to make sure it's covered. Um, of course, the cheaper they are, the closer you're gonna be able to get to 1200 without going over. Because in reality, here you're gonna have 57 bucks. That's not gonna be covered. And if this one goes down more, you're gonna pay a small percentage, just $5, whatever, $10, whatever it goes down. If it goes down 5%, you're gonna lose whatever that is, $2.50. But it's you're gonna lose $2-3 at the most. I've done this many times and it works. When it doesn't work when you put in the wrong quantity, or you buy it at the wrong time. That doesn't work. You have to buy it at the right time and put in the right quantity, and you get 11, boom, boom, and you have to buy it. You're gonna be buying this, so you're gonna be watching. Let me move it really slowly. Let me make this smaller so it doesn't affect the video as much. You're gonna be, that's too small. And this is another one that I was running yesterday, but it didn't work. It was too hard, too confusing, too complicated. There it is. It's just this part. And the numbers that you need is 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Purchase price, quantity gives you this much, how much you paid. At the time that you bought this, how much was this one, right? And based on this, it's gonna calculate this price. Now, of course, this is an estimate. Maybe it was not 118.50. Maybe it was 118.40. So that's why you get a little bit of an error here. But if you enter it perfectly, it should work perfectly. Actually, there is an error. It's not perfect. They're trying to match it as much as possible, like you see on the bars, that there is some difference between 1, 2, 3, 4, and this 1, 2, 3, 4. If you turn them around, you're gonna see that they're pretty similar, but the little candlesticks, they're a little bit different. You see, that's because Ameritrade cuts it exactly there, and they are reporting that time, and then this one at that time is not there yet. It's still moving, so it's all it's over here are open, right? It's in the wrong position. It's not so perfect, but for the big numbers, it's pretty much the same. When you get to the pennies and dimes and nickels, it's a little bit different. Uh, where am I here? So yeah. So what you do is, I was almost finished with the video anyway, and it got cut off. What you do is you buy it at that time. This tells you how many you have to buy. 11 shares at that much. It will give you this much money, which will cover this much. And in this case, you only made $44. That's how much I would have made today. So I would have had to buy more shares. Maybe if I would have bought 300, it would have been a little bit more decent. But that's okay. $40 for the little amount of money that I spent. So I go here and I spend $1,800, and then I have to put another 1866 to cover this. What happened? Yeah, and the difference is how much money I made. I made 66 bucks, and now those 66 are gonna get locked. They're not gonna go. They're gonna go up or down $5. Maybe it goes up more. Maybe it goes down $5. Maybe it goes up $5. But it'll be $66 or at least 60 bucks. The next day when you sell, and then you sell it loose. The next day, what happens? Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna practice what happens the next day. So let's say this is the next day. Oh, I don't have a next day here. So let's do another example. Let's go. Oh, how? There is no way to undo. Oh no. I just screw up the graph. I was supposed to slide it with this. Oh, let's see if I could go back. Because I had this set up perfectly. What else I had to be perfect? So I think I'm zooming in a few less days here. Let's say about this much. A little bit more. Yeah, that looks like the same amount of bars here and here, right? Roughly. Alright, so I'm supposed to move it with this. What is the night? Oh, there it is. Oh, I have a 1 minute. I'm gonna put it on a 5-minute graph for this another example, so I can see more. 5 minutes, and I'm gonna grab the whole day. Okay, so let's go to the 0, and let's go see here. Let's say you would have bought here, and you say, haha, whatever. I'm gonna. Oh, actually, this one was going down, so you wouldn't have bought this one. But sometimes it goes the other way around, like this. This one, right? No, this one. You're here and you buy it and you make all this money and you keep it overnight and you're all happy, and then the next morning it drops. Actually, this one didn't drop. It's bullish, so you're not gonna lose on this case. But here you might lose. Like you buy here and it goes, you wind up here and you're all happy because you made so much money, but then you don't sell it because you're not allowed to buy it and sell it on the same day, and the next day it drops all the way down there. So that's not good. So you wind up making only like $5. So after all this waiting and watching for the whole day and whatever. Well, I don't watch it the whole day. What I do is I keep updating my stop loss as it goes up. So every half an hour, every hour, I look again. I change the stop loss until boom, it gets sold. Of course, that's risky because if you do that and when it gets sold, you don't have your spreadsheet and ready to buy another one, it can go up. Actually, no. Actually, if it goes up, that's good because the other one will go down. Let me change the scale. So let's find a good scale for this. Probably this much. Oh my god. I hope this recording works. What day is this? It doesn't say. It says Wednesday. So Wednesday night. This much. Something like that, right? Is that the opposite? Looks like. Yeah, it looks like this is total opposite of this. So you start the day here and you find out that I don't like the scale. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. I thought I was gonna be able to get the bigger bars with the 5-minute scale. Let me just rescale it. Yeah, what I was gonna do is I was gonna play like this, like if it was a real day. Like, okay, bing, 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 opens the market, and these things goes up and down, and you're trying to get it as cheap as possible, right? And when you see starts to go up, you say, okay, it's time to buy now. Let's say you get it here. This is open and this is closed. So maybe you get it at 110.29. So put a spreadsheet here. 110.29. Enter. How many shares? No, that's too much shares. Let's say I'm shooting for 2,000 bucks. So I quickly, this is running fast, so I have to really calculate really fast. So let's say 90 or 100. I want a little bit more. 130. Boom. There you go. So at this time, okay, so if you look at this graph on the other side, early in the morning, where am I here? That would be here. Three or four bars. 1, 2, 3. Right around the middle of the third bar. 1, 2, 3. So it'll be around here. 646. You don't buy nothing. You just put the price. 6.46. Now immediately it tells you you're hoping to sell it higher, right? So let's say the time goes by like this. You don't look at this really slowly, like minute by minute, 5 minutes by 5 minutes. Oh, it dropped, but it will go up. So I bought it on the wrong price. And it keeps going up and up, down, pretty much around there, I would say. It didn't pass, it didn't break that, so that's a good signal for me. See, if it would have been past this one, it would have keep going up, but it didn't. So, well, this each bar here is 5 minutes. I move it too fast. In reality, it goes really slow. You know, that's 5 minutes to think about it, and 5 minutes to think about it. So let's see if that would have been right. Yeah, that would have been right. Right there. When I see that it didn't make it and it dropped, right here, I would sell 111.49. 111.49. Let's put the numbers backwards. I'm slow. But this is 130 is too much. It should have been 13. Right, I don't have that much money. Okay, so I have to. This 13 is the same as this number, and this tells you that you're gonna buy the other one at 639, and you're gonna buy 227 shares. So where would that be? What time is that? Oh god, I have to move it slowly because the video may hang up. So it says 1350. The time at the bottom, you see around here, 1350. Let's move it slowly. Let's move this bar a little bit here. Oh, my spreadsheet went. 13. See, it's good to buy it because after that, look what happens. So all that negativity that you're gonna get here, you're gonna cancel it with this positivity, and you are not doing any day trades. That's the idea. So you're here in this bar, which is 1350. I think I said, yeah, 1350, around here in the middle of this bar. Okay, it says 639. Where's my spreadsheet? That's not it. Oh, Bitcoin was a nightmare. 639 exactly. 227 things, and you're gonna pay 1,400. So you need $3,000 to do this, or else you're gonna have to do it with less shares. How much money is made? Not enough. Oh god. So you buying for 1433 to 14. How much money you make? Oh my god, this is so little. Let me make this spreadsheet better, so it tells you how much you made. Making equals to this minus. I thought you could make more money with this, but it's very little. Well, this is probably a slow day or something. Sometimes it goes up 8%. Well, only $15. Wow, and that's catching it right on the money. Wow. What if you miss? You probably make nothing. But it works. You have to buy you just have to buy more shares. If you have $6,000, you have to just buy more shares. Buy 20, because this is very safe. Let's say you buy 20. When you sell 20, you get this much, and you make $24. So worth it? Probably not. Not worth it. For this case, it's not worth it. Well, this company went from 109 to 114 on this day. It's a slow day. So you have to get really smart at catching it, really, because I caught it over here. I could have caught it over here. That would have made a big difference. So look, let's say I would have caught it, I would have waited until 10 o'clock, and I had this thing going down, and now it starts to go up. Now that's when you buy, and you get more lucky, and you get it at 109.11. This is 5 minutes, right? So this is 10 minutes. It's not that fast. So, what did I say you get it at? Say, oh, oops. So you get it at right here. 108.95. Oh, big difference. Oh, no wonder. 108.95. Yeah, the better you are, the better the more money you're gonna make. If you know how to wait, and you do this, you have experience, you know when it's gonna happen. You get better. So that will be around here, 654. Oh, big difference. 6.54. See, that's $50. That's a little better. So I put these times, they're not real. So it's from 10 to oh, there is something else you can do. You can catch this too. Yes, you can do that. So you go here. You can do that with less money. Let's say you're gonna have two things. You can do it twice. I don't remember the names of the stocks, but there are some other stocks like this. from a different company, but they do about the same. Okay, so where am I here? I was gonna reduce the number of shares. Let's say I buy 15 shares only, and I pay $1,600. So 16 and 16 is 3,000. So let's say I have more money left, right? So what you do is this, and you want to enter again. Just buy more shares. So once you enter the other one, you just go you go to sleep. You're done. You're done for the day. And you have to wait until the next day, until 9:30 or 9 o'clock, 9 in the morning, whatever you prefer, and you can sell it right there. No day trade. Of course, if you make a mistake, you can sell and get a day trade. It's gonna take a week until it erases itself. Um, how am I? How do I remember what the name of this company? Uh, can I pause this? I found another pair here. uh, I went to this site called ETF.com, and I found this and this two right here. 3x inverse negative 3x, and this is positive 3x. I don't know why this says 570%. I have no idea. It should be negative, but anyway, here it is. Alright, let's go. The spreadsheet. Where is the spreadsheet? There. Okay. So we're gonna enter all the data in the spreadsheet here. I'm just gonna move it out of the way and enter it. Let's say we pick, wow, here. How are we gonna do this? I don't think it goes that far back. 5-minute chart. I see the whole thing here. Okay, well, we can do the 15-minute chart then. No? Half an hour chart? Should be easier. Let's pick here. What a day here. What a week. So that's this week here. No, I gotta change this to the 30-minute thing. Oh, I can do the 1 hour. 30 minutes. That would be this day. The opposite. What do we have here? It went, what day does it say? Down here it says no date. Thursday. Here it is on no date. Thursday too. I think it's the same Thursday. Right. Here are these little things. So we start the day here at so it starts here and it drops and then it starts racing, and you buy. This is a whole 30 minutes, huh? It's like you buy somewhere there. 15? I think 15 is a good number. I'm gonna enter 15. I'm not gonna show you that anymore. So 15 is only a, if I buy 10, it's only 150 shares. Let's buy 100. A bear. So if you buy this at 100, the mirror here it's around here. Right, let's see. One, two, three bars. 1, 2, 3. Probably around here. On the top of this one. You're not buying this, but you're just calculating roughly. 142. That's it. You put in 142. That's all. Then the day goes on. That's great. You check out every half an hour the bars. Don't come out negative. It is possible that I would have sold right here. But let's say I don't, because it's going up again. Right. It stops right there. Maybe it does turn green and then it goes back down and it turns red again. Then this one opens here and it ranges, goes up and down, and I'll say, well, I'll stay. And it keeps going. And then I find the highest point. Here, we start dropping. 1666. That's a good dollar. 16. 16.66. I'll have $166. This one doesn't tell me how much I made. I gotta copy this, copy. I'm not showing it too, sorry. I'll show you in a minute. I paste. Oh yeah. This one made more money. But of course it was a big dip. But it happens. Sometimes you have a little dip and you have to, sometimes a big dip. Buy a 100 shares. 1666. I don't sell, but I keep. But at that point, I buy the short one. Now the short should be $14. And no, it should be 127.85. Let's see. Went down. This one. Yeah, 127. 127.25 ECC. You got an hour and a half, 3 times to get it, to catch it at that price. And if you catch it here, you get lucky. That's even better, because you don't have to spend that much. You're hoping that this is gonna go the other way the next day. That's why you do that. What happens the next day? So did you see the spreadsheet? I guess so, yeah. Yeah, 127.85. I'm gonna try to make this as small as possible. So this one in the back. I wish this was a transparent window. I think Windows used to be like you can make Windows transparent. No, that didn't work. So here it is. You make 166 bucks, and at that point you stop it. You don't sell it. You buy the opposite, so you don't have surprises in the middle of the night, nightmares. You can sleep. You can just go to sleep. Um, this is supposed that on the other day that it went down and it went back up again, then you're gonna have to buy this, but you're gonna have to spend more money though to do that, or else you just call it and wait until the next day and go do something else. Um, yeah, if you buy two of these for 1,500 each and you only have 3,000, you have to wait until you make the money so you can make more. That's how it works. Or you put 3,000 to start with, and you go halfway and you make twice. You make the same as you go. Actually, that's not a bad idea. You can put all the money in one shot, and then you don't have to go twice. But the advantage when you go twice is that the price goes down and you have more range to go up again, more space, supposedly, because it was a panic that brought it down, and now you take advantage of that bubble. Ow. Okay, so there it is, 166 bucks, locks up, and it doesn't go nowhere from there. A lot of work, but you have to do it because of the law, the 3 day rule thing, 3 day day trade, the 3 day trade, the rule. Um, there's nothing else to do. This is very simple. Um, what am I thinking about? Oh yeah, I was gonna go to the next day to see what happens. So they're neutralized, and you go to the next day and see what happens. Oh, it would have dropped. This one would have dropped more. This one would have gone up more. But you don't make money, but you don't lose too. So now you're here with a new day. Oh, it's supposed to. You're not gonna have that. When the next day starts, you're only gonna have this. I've never done this with a half an hour chart. Oh no, I don't have that. I have this. Wow, this one is pretty different. I think I got it wrong. It says Friday there. That's Monday. Where's Friday? Yeah, it looks more like it. So you're gonna have this early in the morning. You can say, well, if this stock price, you can put an order for this here, and it's gonna go up. Boom, and you're gonna make that much. That's what I would have done. So I would have bought it. I would have, before the market opens, I would have put my order at this point. What is this high? 17.7. Let's see if that works. Oh, okay. It's amazing. You can just go like, I love spreadsheets. Oh, it's all this, right? Yeah. Oh, I didn't go over the formulas, but they're very simple. This is the I column, J column, K column right here. And then you have 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. You enter only on the green parts. Uh, this is 100. You enter the 100, how many shares you buy. And you have a formula there. No, that's not even a formula. That's, let me delete that, I guess. Just a number. 0. Or you can just say nothing paid. Nothing paid or sold. Nothing paid or sold. You can start by selling it. So I have the other one. I'm gonna get it at this price. At 14 now. So it went down. Right? Does that make any sense? It does make sense to me. Where the hell am I here? Oh, here. Why is more? I don't get it. Oh, because logically I would have to buy this one. No, I had to sell this one. But I want to buy it, so I have a problem. Get it? Okay, because this is much higher because it went up at night, right? I sold it around here and it kept going up. So now it's a new price. Now this should come down, but I like it that it's gonna blow here this resistance that has never been there before, and I can buy it there and see if I can make money going up, and it might keep going up. So I'm gonna buy it without looking at what's over there. I'm gonna buy it. Well, I have an idea because um, I know what happened to the stock market this time. Uh, you were supposed to short the market because everything was crashing. So, and I don't care. So I see this possibility here. I like when I see this pattern in the morning. I like it. Up, 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 and then go. So what's this price? High 17.7. So I put 17.7 here. What do I do with that? I already have it from the night before, so I don't have to sell it. But it's too much money. I'm gonna have to run to the bank and deposit more money because uh, what happens if it? I never thought about that. What happens if it covers, keeps going up and going up and going up? Well, you should be making money with the one you sell, right? No, because it went down. The other one loses money. So let's see. What's the price of the other one here? Where if you buy here at the did I say what did I say? 18, 1770? No, right here, where you have the flat line. This is not so flat here. So here, let's say it's I don't know roughly 118.85. Oh, you gotta sell this one as high as possible. Yeah, you want to sell it as high as possible. So you sell it here as much as you can get right before the market opens, or somewhere there. But you gotta wait until this jumps. That's kind of scary. No, you gotta put in the order before, because this jumps too fast when it passes that point. So let me see if I can figure it out. It's gotta be here or here. The point. Ah, I see. This point here is covered with red. Here is not. So all I gotta do is find the low here. That's exactly the point when I'm selling. Low. Because this opens here and it closes here, right? And then it jumps here. Boom. No, it jump here. And that's when it's gonna purchase. Right at 9:30 a.m. 118.39. What's the low for that one? 118.41. 118.41. 118.41. So I sell it exactly right there, and then I'll see what happens. Let's see. Well, I'll see if I'm gonna be right, if this is gonna keep going down or not. I'm excited. What happened? Oh, I went the wrong way. No, I was wrong. So emergency. So what happened? This starts here. No, starts here. It goes up there. No, or it goes here somehow, and then and it goes up there and ends right here. And then boom, it opens right here. And it goes down a little bit and it starts rising. At this point, you know that you made a mistake. So you have to lose money here. And we lose money, and where is the resistance here? No, this is a lot of money. Oh my god. What do you do? Aha, it goes into the right direction. Okay. That would have been crazy to buy here. Why? If I'm trying to sell it as much as I can, and I know that this is gonna go down and then it's gonna come back up. It's possible that it comes up higher, like it did here, and sell it right there. So the key is to wait. Wait. Don't do anything in the first half an hour. Wait until the second half an hour, and then you get a much better money. That happened to me today. I could have made more money if I would have waited a little bit more. So right there. $127.50 will be nice. I think it's possible to catch it there. $127.50 right before it closes. So where's my spreadsheet? $127.50. What's $127.50? Oh yeah, that's much better. Doesn't make any sense. What is this? I don't think I entered anything. Well, whatever. Let's say you go up there and you sell it between 126 and 127 or something. Around 127. Right here. And you have to record what price is that here on this side. Makes no sense. Something wrong. Let's see. Am I looking at the right day? Monday here. Oh, I'm not in the right. What am I doing? Wrong day. Yeah. So you buy it here. Let's say 127. Oh yeah, all the way over there. That bottom there on that first line. Around here. 60.50. Then it goes up. Because here and here you say, oh, something happened. It's just not working. So immediately you gotta do something. You sell this. It says 16.95. Now you gotta sell the other one. 16.95. Something is wrong. I made a mistake somewhere. This price. I'm a little bit tired right now. I can't concentrate very well. So 16.50. This one, I bought it. I sold it there 127 something. Where did I get 17? Oh, I'm confused. I can't have this confusion. I'm tired. Okay, so here we go. This one, you're trying to sell it as high as possible. So it goes up there and you sell it. 127.50. And the other one, you buy here. I think I was looking at the wrong date. Whatever. So I start here, somewhere here. $16.50. That will be up here. And then I let it go up and up and up. And here, when it gets to here, I need to sell it. The question is, when I sell this, how much money am I gonna get? Let's sell this one. nice to get that calculated. Alright, so this goes down and it goes back up, and here it's like, well, what's going on? It's not working. As soon as I see this one that is starts here lower, I will get so, because this probably went like that and like that, and it looks like it's gonna continue, but I don't know. I will just probably sell it. So it's $17 exactly. So made very little money today. $50. So from here to here you can make $50. Now I can sell it now because I bought it yesterday, and I will sell it and I'll have nothing, and I will have to start the whole process again, starting from here, especially when I have a sign that this is going to continue. Wow. So I will have to spend all the money to make this money, this whatever, because this is a lot. It's not time to go take a nap. You have to continue here. And I'm gonna copy and paste, so I'll show you the results. Oh, I was trying to tell you what the formulas are. I have this formula which is J plus I 19. These two numbers times each other. That's this formula. This one is just this times this, right? Yeah, simple. This times this gives you this. Couldn't be easier. This number is a division times something. It's a ratio. Let's see if I can figure out I 20, 21, these two numbers. The big number divided by this, and then 19. This one times this one. So it's this times this divided by this. That gives you that number. And 14 is rounding. This to get the number of shares, you have to cover this much. So you have to buy this much. Now, it's a problem making money. Well, what you can do is that because you sold this, when you buy again, you have to go less money, buy less than 1,000. So you have a room to grow. Because if you have 3 strikes in a row, you can make so much money that you don't have enough money to cover, which is a good problem to have because you made a lot of money. So as you can see, we would have made 50 here, 166. Of course, this is being right on the, because you're not, you may make 20 here, you may make 150 here, and maybe here you make 45, 40, but it adds up every day. We're not done with this day. This is the this is Monday. It's Monday AM. Anyway, you get the idea. You just copy this again, and you create a new one. Copy, paste, and this will be Monday PM. And you're gonna buy this company. When it goes down, don't forget. Right around here. 122.35. No, you're not gonna buy this company because you already sold it today. You're gonna go to did I write these numbers down? Yeah. You're gonna go back to the one that you sold on Thursday or on Friday. You can buy it again. So let's see. And there's another one, SOX low, SOX long. Let's try that one. And SOX short. And that was Monday. What day is this? Before I load that, I don't want to lose the date. Come on. It's here. Yeah, it's here. But I don't have a date. It just says Monday. Monday, why? Oh, I thought this was the coronavirus. This is not. This is something else. What it is? Okay, where are we? Monday. We were doing this. Where's Monday? That's this. Alright. So SOX short. Where are we? Monday. Yeah. This company behaved totally different. So I'm gonna put it on Friday and here. I don't know when I would have bought it. I don't know. You can even start this before. You don't have to sell these first. You can start this before. That would be good. Sunday, Monday. This is the start of the Monday. See right there, starts Monday. This is PM and this is AM. This company is different than the other one. Or ETF. This ETF, I should say. There's Monday here. I'm exposing the whole thing. So this one is got this point here, and you can buy around here. I hope we have the same date. Oh, it says right there. I saw it. 7/27. What does it say here? This one doesn't show you. Why? Oh, what am I doing? So this is the short. Yes, I was at a good point where like this is happening, and like right now I need to buy this one as low as possible again, and all I have to see is this, and this is going up and down or something, going up or like that. But this is open. This point doesn't move, but this bar right here goes up and down. When it goes like that, it turns red, and when it goes all the way up here, it turns back green again. So I tried to buy it low, and I think I see 210 there. Wow, it used to be expensive. Whoa, 210. Immediately I find out when this is at 210 right here. What was this one? 4.6. Oh, that was cheap. Next year, that 4.6 is gonna be like under $1. They're gonna have to split it, merge it. And I buy at that price, and this continues. And that's easy to sell right here. Close 4 o'clock. 217.46. I think I'm gonna buy 45 shares of that one. That's too much. 4.5 shares. 4 shares. That's too little. 5 shares. Yeah, 5 shares is $1,000. So I'm selling at what's the high here? 217.46. 217. Let's say I sell it at 217.40. And it says I have to buy oh my god, 245 at 444. My spreadsheet. Ooh, 444. Oh, 444 is easy. Depending on how much money I have, right? Trying to buy as cheap as possible, so it was market close right here. This bar open here and it close here, and that's what's gonna be 4.41. There's not much difference from yesterday. No, that was today, earlier. No, actually, that was a different stock. It was not SOXS. It was something else. So it says to buy 247, and it's gonna be $1,089. I mean, if you don't have this much, you have to buy 4 shares. And I made $37 more. So Monday PN is 37, and this is 50. So you make 100. I mean, you make $87. Yeah. And your account grows every day. Well, I think it's okay for me. So I can do this and make around $80 every day. Plus, I'm making some other money with silver and whatever. What I made 180 the other day was a Tuesday or so, Tuesday or Wednesday. And then in the evenings I can go and work a few hours, make another 40, $50, and that'll work. And I have a nice salary, $150 a day. Yeah, that works. So I gotta go to sleep.